Are you tired of scrambling for dinner ideas after a long day at work? Welcome to our channel, where we make your busy weeknights easier you can whip up in a flash. Look no further. In today's video, we have 10 delicious and time-saving recipes that will save your busy weeknights. Get ready for 10 busy weeknight dinner recipes in a flash. Recipe number 1, One-Pot Chicken Alfredo. This creamy and flavorful dish comes together in just 30 minutes. You'll love how the tender chicken and al dente pasta blend perfectly with the rich Alfredo sauce. Next up, we have recipe number 2, Sheet Pan Tacos. Forget the hassle of individually assembling tacos. With this recipe, you can prepare a whole batch at once. Simply toss the seasoned meat and veggies on a sheet pan, pop it in the oven, and voila! Dinner is served. Now, let's move on to recipe number 3, Asian Stir-Fry. In less than 20 minutes, you'll have a colorful and satisfying stir-fry loaded with fresh vegetables and your choice of protein. It's quick, customizable, and bursting with flavor. Up next is recipe number 4, Mediterranean Stuffed Peppers. Packed with wholesome ingredients like quinoa, tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese, these vibrant peppers make a complete meal that's both nutritious and tasty. And the best part? They're ready in under 40 minutes. Moving along, we have recipe number 5, Honey Mustard Salmon. This dish is a breeze to make and guarantees a burst of sweet and tangy flavors. Simply coat the salmon fillets in a homemade honey mustard glaze, bake them, and serve with your favorite sides. Recipe number 6 is a crowd pleaser, Beef and Broccoli Stir-Fry. It's a classic Chinese takeout favorite that you can whip up in your own kitchen. Tender beef, crisp broccoli, and a savory sauce will have everyone reaching for seconds. Let's not forget about recipe number 7, Caprese Chicken Skillet. This delightful dish combines juicy chicken breasts with the classic Caprese flavors of tomatoes, mozzarella, and fresh basil. It's a quick and elegant option that's sure to impress. Recipe number 8 brings us a taste of Italy, One-Pot Pasta. Imagine all the flavors of a traditional pasta dish cooked in one pot, saving you both time and cleanup. It's the ultimate convenience without compromising on taste. For recipe number 9, we have a twist on a classic, barbecue chicken quesadillas. These crispy, cheesy quesadillas are filled with mouth-watering barbecue chicken and are perfect for those nights when you crave something comforting yet quick. Last but not least, recipe number 10, Veggie Fried Rice. Using leftover rice and a medley of colorful vegetables, you can create a delicious and satisfying fried rice in a matter of minutes. It's a great way to repurpose ingredients and reduce food waste. There you have it, folks. 10 incredible recipes that will make your busy weeknight dinners a breeze. With these quick and flavorful options, you'll never have to stress about what to make. For more videos like, share and subscribe.